Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So I'm in Goa now, so I thought I will upload a video on YouTube, my Goa trip. So it will be in parts like part 1, part 2 and part 3. I will try to include every details. So please stay tuned. So this is going to be the part 1 of my Goa trip. This is the resort we are staying. I forgot the name of this resort, but I'll update. The resort name is Caravella Beach Resort. It's in South Goa. It has its own private beach, so it's very good actually. And we don't have to go to the crowded places during this pandemic because it has its own private beach with 2-3 water activities. We had a stay of 3 days there, and actually it's a 5-star resort, but I would give a rating of 3.5 or 4 out of 5. Because we had a waiting of more than 2 hours at the entrance for the check-in. Even though we booked the resort in advance, we had to wait more than 2 hours. When you travel with kids, it's so annoying that you have to wait for their room. And the second thing is, the room size also not that big. Like compared to other resort or hotels, the room size is pretty average. Not up to the mark, I would say. So that is the reason I don't know why I didn't like this resort that much. But the plus point of this resort is it has its own private beach. That's a very good advantage. Like you can be at the resort for most of the water activities. And it has a very beautiful garden outside the resort. So that you can just chill and relax by sitting there. So that is the 2 plus point I can give you. I'll tell you about this resort. When you talk about the swimming pool, they have a very strange rule that swimming suit with sleeves are not allowed inside the swimming pool. That we found very strange because we've been to other resorts. I never seen such a rule that swimming suits with sleeves are not allowed. So that also I felt it very strange. So other than that, the resort is okay, reasonable. I think it's 10,000 or 11,000 per night, rupees per night. I'm not very sure. Yeah. So it's a very, like, what to say, if you want to stay only at the resort for 1 to 2 days, it's okay. This resort is okay. So this is the room size. As I said before, it's pretty average. You can't say, even though it's a 5-star resort, it's not that big. It's just an average room. Bathroom size also average only, not big. Every room has a balcony. That is very good. Like it's a good plus point of this room. We have a balcony. And the view from balcony is also very nice. We can see all the coconut tree, palm trees and some other beautiful garden from this balcony. Actually, I felt Goa looks like Kerala because Kerala also has lots of coconut trees and greenery. This Goa also looks like Kerala only. Since kids love swimming and they want to play in the swimming pool, as soon as we reached the hotel resort, we went to the swimming pool and kids start playing in the swimming pool. They have got villas also, so if you are interested to stay in villa, they have villas also there. are walking towards the private beach area. So before the beach you can see a beautiful garden. So it's only 2 minutes walk from the resort to the private beach area. And only people who are staying at the resort only have the entry to the private beach. So it's not that crowded. Everyone can see whenever possible. So this time I enjoyed like it was so nice. You have that adrenaline feeling. They have hotels, bar, cafe near the beach area, so you can just sit, chill and have a drink there.